Alright guys, we're back. Cleveland RV. Just taking a look at some of the newer models that they have in today. Some of the Bushwhacker series and the Northern Spirits. And then on the other side, something really cool. These new Xplorer campers. Little lightweight campers here. Really awesome. So we're going to get a video of some of these today. Of course, they carry the chassis too. These are all new campers. Alright guys, it's John, Chicken Ship Farms, back at Cleveland RV again. Today we're looking at the new Xplorer series by Riverside RV. So quick walk around here. You see some of the things that comes with a power jack. Dual propane tanks. Doesn't have a battery on it yet. So we can get a look at some of the information on it here. You see what you got. This does have a single slide. It's Xplorer by Riverside. Sorry about the road noise, guys. Alright, back here you're going to have your water heater as well as your freshwater or city water connections. This is probably a cable connection here. This is cable TV. This is your power. Plugs in right here. This one does not appear to be pre-wired for solar panels. It does have a pre-wire back here for backup camera. So it has the aluminum wheel package, nitrogen filled tires. This one does have the outdoor kitchen. Like I said, this is something we really enjoy on our camper. We really do use it a lot. This one has a griddle here on the top. Nice. There's your quick fill for this propane grill. Hose right there. Small 110 refrigerator. No sink out here. It does have the magnetic holds here, which is so much better than the old plastic clips that everybody forgets and gets snapped off. It does have a power awning out here. Outdoor speakers. So it didn't have a sink, but it does have an outdoor shower on this side, as well as 110 outlet. That's your furnace exhaust. These does come with the hard steps. Really do like these steps, guys. They're very stable. And a nice grab handle here as you come in. Here's the model number. A lot of features on this camper. It also has the door hinges to keep the door from blowing closed on you. I'm just going to take a step inside. This side makes it nice and roomy in here. So it's definitely a more modern look than older campers used to be. It's nice. Has a nice rounded ceiling up here. All LED lighting, ducted roof, air conditioning. These solid surface countertops are very nice. Nice deep sink, stainless sink. You're going to find these appliances in most of the campers they have here. They got the same stove, same oven. Right here, nice glass top with the stainless steel microwave and the Furrion. This is actually a fairly decent size refrigerator. I said that's definitely good size here. Decent size freezer. That's your dinette. And this is also what they called a trifold couch, I believe. So what it does is pulls out and it's got another piece like that. So very comfortable. A lot better than the old jackknife style. Fireplace is a nice touch. Electric fireplace. Decent size here. You can put a pretty good sized TV in here. That's nice. Check out the master. Nice having this walk around on each side, and the reason they got to have it is because the bed sits right next to the wall, so you're not going to have the space to walk around the bed. Got some halfway decent storage in here. Not much for your night table there, but got some storage up top here. And, oh, that's neat. You can see the nightstand is actually up there on the other side of this cabinet. So instead of having that space nobody can reach, they put your little nightstand right there, and you've got your plugs on each side. That's pretty slick. And of course your TV backer right back here. So yeah, let's walk through here. Check out the bathroom. See, across from the bathroom you've got some storage here for towels and stuff. Not bad. Alright. Decent lighting. That's actually a pretty decent sized shower in here for this camper. Having this come out away from you gives you a little more room. But there's not a lot of room in this bathroom unless you want to stand in the shower. So, I mean, let's see here. Yeah, that's a little tricky. Pretty tight. Well, got enough room in front of the toilet, but if you want to wash your hands, that's a little tight. Decent storage up here in the bathroom. And I believe this is a bunkhouse model. Yep. There's the kids area back here. That's another one. This is one of their jackknife sofas here. It's actually still pretty comfortable. And you've got an upper bunk here, another bunk right there, and a lower bunk there. It's a nice ladder. And of course, got room over here for another TV. Got USB charging here and here for the bunks. And of course room for their gaming systems and stuff like that, because you know everybody has to bring video games when you go camping, right? At least if it's raining. Look back through here. Very nice. Well-spec'd well-spec'd camper here, guys. Give you a little information about it here. 2023 MSRP. We're asking $34,900. Some more of the manufacturers. Let's just tell you a lot about what different packages it has here. They had the MSRP at $48,000. And there you've got it listed here for $34,900. If you like it, guys, come by and take a look.